Hello friends, welcome to the video series of Indian art and culture. In this video, we are going to see famous classical dance from North India and it is Kathak. The origin of Kathak is traditionally attributed to traveling bards of ancient northern India known as Kathakars or storytellers. The term Kathak is derived from the Vedic Sanskrit word Katha, which means story, and Kathakar, which means the one who tells a story. Wandering Kathakars communicated stories from the great epics and the ancient mythology through dance, songs, and music. Major themes of Kathak is stories of Hindu god Krishna. Radha Krishna love symbolizes love between Atma and the supreme source. Image shown here refers song Radha Kaise Na Jale from the movie Lagan. This song is based on Ras Leela. Now we will see some evidences of Kathak. The 2nd century BC panels found in Bharhut show the dancers in a vertical stance with their arms positions already suggesting today's Kathak movements. Also, the term Kathakas, in the sense of storytellers, appears in ancient Hindu texts such as Mahabharata. Let's move towards features of Kathak dance. Important feature of this dance is this is the only classical dance of India having links with Muslim culture because Mughal era courts and nobles accepted Kathak as a form of aristocratic entertainment. Hence, we find Persian influence on this dance. Before Mughal era, dancers used to perform this dance into Hindu temples. Second important feature of Kathak is regarding dance movements. Here, eye movements and body movements involving bends and turns are very important. As compared to other classical dance forms, body movements in this dance are quite straight. Distinctive features of Kathak is various gharanas, namely Jaipur, Banaras, and Lucknow. The Jaipur Gharana traces its origin to Bhanuji, a famed Shiv Tandav dancer. The Jaipur style developed under the sponsorship of Rajput rulers and they favored the Kathak dance with Hindu religious themes. Footwork is more important in this Gharana. The Banaras Gharana is traditionally believed to be the oldest. Janaki Prasad was a dancer and a Sanskrit scholar and credited with inventing the bols of Kathak, which are mnemonic syllables within the language of this classical dance of India. Prayers of Lord Shiv and Krishna are used in this type. Then comes the Lucknow Gharana. This Gharana of Kathak attributes its origins to Ishwari Prasad. This school thrived after the Mughal Empire collapsed when Kathak artists moved from Delhi to Lucknow under the sponsorship of Awadh Nawabs, who favored court dance culture. Nawab Wajid Ali Shah is important name regarding this Gharana. In Lucknow Gharana, facial expressions play an important role. Famous Kathak dancer Pandit Birju Maharaj, shown in first image over here, belongs to Lucknow Gharana. Now we will see some important elements of Kathak dance. It starts with invocation. It is also known as salami in Muslim tradition. Amad is entry of dancer. Uh, then That comes. That is slower, graceful movement of wrists, neck, and eyebrows. Bols are mnemonic syllables used in Kathak performance like tha, thai, tat, tha. Then comes tukda or toda. This is nritta part of this dance. Dance pieces of fast rhythm can be observed here. Tatkar is footwork sequence in Kathak dance. Then Jugalbandi. Jugalbandi is competitive play between dancer and tabla player. Tarana is pure rhythmic movement before the end. And Kramalaya is concluding piece of Kathak performance. Now we will see short performance of Kathak dance. For that purpose, I am referring a YouTube video on Kathak dance. Please watch this please watch this performance carefully and try to understand this classical dance form.
Ta ding ding, dha ding ding da, dha ding ding da, na ding ding da, ta ding ding da, dha ding ding da, dha ding ding da, na ding da, ta ding ding da, ta say ta ta say ta ta say, a say ta ta say ta ta say say. Say ta 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 say. Say ta 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 hey. Say ta 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 ha ta say ta ta say ta ta say. Ah say ta ta say ta ta say say. Say ta 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 say. Say ta 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 say. Say ta 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 ha ta say ta ta say ta ta say. Ah say ta ta say ta ta say say. Say ta 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 say. Say ta 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 say. Say ta 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 dha.
Famous personalities associated with Kathak are Birju Maharaj, Lachu Maharaj, Sitara Devi, Damayanti Joshi, and Sharmila Sharma. So, this was a classical dance from North India. I hope you people have enjoyed Kathak. If yes, then please share it with maximum people and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.